Ubak Prestone tensong usembut Menteri Rangba Kejela ubari kmi yakatanat kampo ying ulaong. Kumbaong ke hukum na ke Meghalaya High Court baka notification jong ke GHADC baki bat tap kerteng banyak kun yak election MDC sa GHADC kin hapan say not schedule tribe kamdan nong rem kum kata la day ban Shim haka Lynti ke Ïahap. Habakran sikilat pathai kubor haka janmiet jong ke khatway tere ula ber araja arpun rio ubak Prestone ulaong. Bala day ban ra haka dorbar yak rai jong ke executive committee bat nang tapan haban yo ke jingmen jur naulat. Ulaong baka rai bala Shim da ke executive committee kamlong ke Biang Pura bat haka jing sisa day ban wan ra haka dor ki amendment.
In view of the court order last night from the Honorable High Court, which says that they are not talking about the spirit of the notification, but they straight away mention about the process of the notification, which is not as per the proper norms, not as per the procedures. So therefore, the court said that the decision taken by the executive committee relating to the Shillong tribe certificate is, as of today, illegal. Why? Because the practices of the executive committee is when they take any major decision like Shillong tribe certificate or any other issues, first they have to pass in the EC and thereafter they have to bring it to the House. Because the functioning of the District Council is more or less like Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, just like the Parliament also. So we need to follow strictly as per the rules, regulations and the guidelines. So therefore, the decision and the notification issued by the Executive Committee of the Kyrwoh Hills Autonomous District Council, even myself I feel it is totally incomplete. So therefore, if they really wanted to follow the rules and procedure and to make sure that the amendment of rules happens, it has to be done through proper channel. Meaning, one is let the EC pass and then bring it to the House. If the House approve the proposed amendment, then the amendment passed by the House should come to the Honorable Governor for assent. So that is the rules, that is the procedures in the functioning of this council bodies. The AD rules applies only to the respective district council. Khasi Hills, Jandi Hills, yes, we have AD rules, including Kyrwoh Hills. But at this juncture, what happened was, in Kyrwoh Hills District Council, seems the aspiration of the public is to amend the rules, of the ADC, which is being followed all these years by the people of the Kyrwoh Hills sector.
Shu halor ke jingken no bapil ke sarkar sami ke huri hura hapadeng ki riulom bat ki bam dai riulom kham tam hai ki election district council ulaong bo amla ban keno ya ke sarkar namar ke bor baro ke don haki autonomous district council.
No, see, you can't blame the government because this is fully the authority of the district council. As I said to you, this council also they have got the legislative power, they have got judicial power, and also they do have the executive power. More or less like state government, more or less like the central government. So you can't say that the government's failure is there. That's why the law and order crop up. It is not like that. In fact, the district council themselves, if they realize that, they should have had a special session discuss about this issue. Since they already knew it, why not they discuss this issue? Bring it to the district council session and then pass it, then the next course of action will happen. So therefore, even from the government side, we have no role to play. It is not the duty of the government to say that, hey, you have to pass or you have to do the amendment of this. It is not possible. In fact, they are the leaders. They are the one who has to understand to where to amend or where to again incorporate all those existing regulations, laws, rules, and whatever they are.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.